highly appreciated and fair-minded judges, my worthy opponents, sensational audience, I welcome you all with the greetings of Islam. Assalamu alaikum. As introduced by the anchor of this event, I am Eye Nus Saba, a student from Furqan Public High School, Dali, and I am here to highlight some points on a very realistic topic, students, the future of nation. So with the permission of judges, let me recite a quotation from APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He once said, if a country is corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key society members who can make difference. They are the father, mother and teacher. If we try to understand the real meaning of this saying, we will come to the conclusion the students are the real builder of nation, trained by the father, spiritual father and mother. Any other great personality, Barack Obama sir said that a nation that can't control its energy sources can't control its future. He directly linked the future of the country or nation to its sources, which one mainly the young blood taking knowledge from different schools, colleges, universities and other educational hubs. So dear admired audience, let me again remind you the focus of topic. Later conclude it. I was trying to highlight how important students are in the development of nation. Which brings us to the conclusion. The students are the great pillar of great nation. With these precious and valuable laws, I conclude my speech with the Lord thank, firstly Allah, later to you all. Thank you so much. Let us hope for any other somewhere else meeting this blue planet. Thank you so much. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.